Welcome to Show Prep Week number 2. This week we are diving into some of the questions that I get asked every year. And I am not beside meeting with dancers who are going through some more of the behind the scenes challenges in preparing for a show. Because there's more to it than what just happens out on the stage. And we've talked about this before. It's the same thing like in class. There's more to it than what just happens in class. So this week we are going to talk about fighting nerves, what happens if we forget, what happens if we accidentally mess up while we're up on the stage, how to engage our audience, what backstage is like, and things to expect post shows. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about fighting nerves. I will see you then.